In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to upscale your image quality from looking blurry to looking way more better and sharper. And if you're having any question towards the end of this video, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do consider smashing that subscribe button if you find this video helpful. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, simply start by opening your Canva app. Now, once the app is fully open, simply click on this plus icon at the bottom. Once you've done that, then click on upload and upload that photo that you actually want to upscale. Now, once done uploading the photo, as you can see, this photo is quite blurry. Now, what we have to do, we have to upscale this photo. To do this, simply click on it just once. Once you've clicked on it, you see option at the bottom. So just scroll through the option until you see this section that is called apps. So click on it, and then in here you have to actually search for something that is called image upscaler. So you can see there are different types in here. So just look for the one that is called image upscaler and then select it. So once you select it, it's going to load up a little bit. So once it's done loading up, you are going to see it exactly like this. So you just need to scroll down, and then there will be some option like 2x, 4x, 8x, and 16x. So click on any one that is available. So right now you can see that 4x is the highest available for me. So once you click on 4x or 8x or any one that you have available in here, what you have to do now is just click on upscale. So once you click on it, it's going to start processing, and once it's done processing, it's going to show you the upscaled version of the image. Now, once it's done upscaling and enhancing your image, you are going to see this option below that says replace. So click on it. So just click on it and wait for it to finish, rotating. So right now you can see that our image upscaler has successfully uploaded the new image. So what we have to do now is to check it out. So as you can see, the image is looking way more better and way more sharper. So this is the best and fastest way for you to actually upscale your images to increase the quality using Canva. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.